Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this semi-pro dartboard that is called, the brand is called Franklin, and it's really good for just like outdoors. You can do it indoors if you also want, but for outdoors, this one's gonna be really cool. And also the fact that you can do this, and kind of like if it's gonna rain or something like that, you have this one and the screws and actually the stoppers right here, and just make sure that at all times you can just do this and hang it back again, and it's all set and ready to go. You have the zones right here. It's 18 inches. I had one before, not this brand, and I kind of like left it outside and it went out of ways. I mean, I couldn't do it again. So right now I do like this one because you can actually take it out and put it in storage or something like that if it is gonna rain. But then this one, let me show it to you in a closer look while playing some darts as well. Let's see if we can do something decent here in this 18 inches board. I've been practicing some, so I gotta think that I may be getting better, but doesn't seem to. Oh, okay, yeah, well, something. And oof, close. And okay, so I gotta say, I like it. This is brand new. The other one we had, we don't have it anymore, and we just replaced it for this one. Okay, let's go. Oof, too high. But yeah, I really like this one, man. So one more time, 18 inches, easy to put together or set it up actually, and then just get ready to have fun with friends and family.